Hello developers, in this video we will learn about arrow functions. So an arrow function is a more concise way to write function expressions in JavaScript. And arrow functions are not hosted, that is, it behaves like function expression. Also, it is useful for one-line functions and for functions that do not need their own this context. So we will see this with some basic examples. So firstly, I am writing one single line arrow function. Arrow function. So if an arrow function has only a single line of code, we do not need to use curly braces or the return keyword. It will automatically return the result of that line. So this we will see with some basic example. Const add So this is a single line of code. So we haven't used return statement and curly braces here. Now we are simply printing console add comma 4. We will check the output in the terminal. Here we will write the file name. Arrow underscore functions. So here the output is 6. Okay. So now we will check the difference between the regular function and arrow function. Regular function versus arrow function. Firstly, I will write the regular function. Const multiply is equals to function a b return a star b. So this is a normal regular function. So if we want to make it an arrow function, since this is a single line of code, okay, so we do not try to make curly braces and the return statement. They are not necessary. So we can make the arrow function as multiply. This is the arrow function. A star b. Now we can print it here. We can print and call it here. Arrow 4,5. Okay. We can check the output here in the terminal. So the output will be 20. Okay. So here arrow functions are used for the quick simple functions, especially with the one line of code, making them cleaner and easier to read. So this is the cleaner code, you can see, and it is easy to read. Okay. Also it is not using the curly braces and not using the return statement. Okay. So this is the normal regular function and this is the arrow function. Okay. So these are the points we should note. We cannot use this keyword inside the arrow functions, and return keyword is not necessary inside the arrow functions. So if fat arrow function has one statement like this, then we can enumerate the curly braces and the return keyword both. So this is the concept of arrow functions.